ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवुन् ऋलृक्
ऋलृक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनं
ञमङणनं
जभै
जभै
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडधश्
खफछठथ छटतौ
खफछठथचटतौ
कपै
कपै
चषसर्
चषसर्
हल्
हल्
is hull,
हल्
not hull, not it is not the vowel. Hull.
हल्
Maheshwarani Sutrani
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुभ विसर्जनीयानां कंठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
यशानां तालु
यशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुलशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यामाङ्गान् नानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोको कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः
कंठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः
कंठोष्ठम्
कंठोष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य
वकारस्य
दन्तोष्ठम्
दन्तोष्ठम्
जह्वा मूलीयस्य जह्वा मूल्यम्
मूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
रामो
राजमणिः
राजमणिः सदा
सदा
विजयते
विजयते
रामं रमेशं
रमेशं भजे
भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता
रामेणाभिहता
निशाचरचमूः
निशाचरचमूः रामाय
रामाय
तस्मै
तस्मै
नमः
नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति परायणं परतरं
परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे
चित्तलयः
चित्तलयः
सदा भवतु मे
भो
राम
राम
मामुद्धर
मामुद्धर
Can chant Asmad and Ishmad, important Shabda. Takarantah Asmad Shabdah Trishulingeshu Samanarupah
दकारान्तः अस्मत् शब्दः
शब्दः
त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु
त्रिषु
समानरूपः
Aham Avam Vayam
अहं
आवां वयम्
Mama Avam Nau Asmannaha
मामा आवां नौ अस्मान्नः
Maya Avabhyam Asmabhihi
मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः
Makhyam Me Avabhyam Nau Asmabhyam Naha
मह्यं मे आवाभ्यां नौ अस्मभ्यं नः
At Avabhyam Asmat
मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत्
Mama Me Avayogo Nau Asmakam Naha
मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः
Mahi Avayogo Asmasu
मयि आवयोः अस्मासु
Dakarantaha Yushmad Shabdaha Trishulingeshu Samanarupah
दकारान्तः युष्मद्
युष्मद्
त्रिषु
लिङ्गेषु
लिङ्गेषु समानरूपः
Tam Ivam Yuyam
त्वं युवां यूयम्
Vam Tva Yuvam Vam Yushman Vaha
त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मान् वः
Maya Yuvabhyam Yushmabhihi
त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः
Tubhyam Te Yuvabhyam Vam Yushmabhyam Vaha
तुभ्यं ते
युवाभ्यां वां युष्माभ्यं वः
vat yuvabhyam yushmat
Vat yuvabhyam yushmat
tavate yuvayogo vam yushmakam vaha.
Tavate yuvayo
yushmakam vaha
Hi yuvayogo yushmasu
Tvayi yuvayogo
yushmasu.
Two are very important shabda. You need to memorize this. Okay. We'll continue with the exercise and then we will see the sandhi, the Visarga sandhi, what we were discussing in the last class. This one we can do the simple translation, translation of the simple sentences. Okay. I'll call the names from the chat box. You can try. Manjula, each one of you can do 2 sentences.
Namaste ji. The crane wanders. Wanders. Atati.
Good. Atati.
Ah.
Kaha atati.
Kaha atati. Khagaha atati.
Khagaha is bird. Bakaha is crane.
Bakaha. Okay, sorry ji.
The word
Bakaha.
Kaha, it's very interesting word. Kha is akasha. Akashe gacchati iti khagaha. That bird. The word for bird is, in Sanskritam it is khaga. The letter kha stands for akasha, the space. Akashe gacchati, that which moves in this akasha. What is that? Bird. Not only bird, even the flight, helicopter, they are also called kaha. So kaha is the general name for birds. But here crane is there. The word for crane is bakaha. Okay, if you don't know the proper noun, take the help of the spoken Sanskrit dictionary, the help.
Ji.
And the dhatus, many dhatus we have seen. I given a long list of dhatus, some more it to come. So you need to remember, atati, wanders, moving, atati. Okay, then the next one.
God laughs. Laughs. Hasati.
Kaha asati.
Kaha asati. Bhagavan asati.
What is the pratipadikam of Bhagavan?
Don't know, Guruji.
How do you know Bhagavan is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana?
No, Guruji, I don't know.
Oh.
Another word for Bhagavan is Brahma. We say, Guru, can we say?
Devaha or Ishvaraha.
Ishvaraha hasati.
Ishvaraha asati.
Yeah,
Bhagavan,
Guruji.
because you are saying, I'm asking you what is the pratipadika. It is Bhagavat Shabda. Bhagavat becomes Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantaha. Anyway, we have not seen that. That is Takaranta Shabda, but not like Marut. That is different. You will see that later. Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantaha. So Bhagavan is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana, which is correct only.
Okay, ji.
What pratipadika we should know. Anyway, you can say simply Devaha or Ishvaraha asati. Okay, next person, Priyaji.
Yes, ji. The Chekon dwells. Vasati. Jambuka Vasati.
Jambuka Vasati. Jambuka is a pratipadikam. You have to make it into a padam.
Jambuka.
Jambukaha you have to say, not Jambuka.
Okay.
Shrikhalaha athava Jambukaha Vasati.
Vasati. The horse.
Jivati. Yeah. Okay.
The horse carries. Vahati. Ashvaha Vahati.
Ashvaha Bhagati. The verb the verb, the dhatu, vah dhatu, you can note. Vahati prapane. The meaning is prapane. Okay. See, there are about 2000 odd dhatus are there. These dhatus are listed by Panini Maharishi in his work called Dhatu Pata. The dhatu and the meaning of the dhatu given by Panini Maharishi in his work called Dhatu Pata. Dhatu Pata is the book of dhatus. All the dhatus, the meanings are given. The meaning will be given in Sanskritam only. Bhu Sattayam. Bhu is the first dhatu in the Dhatu Pata. From that only we get Bhavati and all. The meaning is Sattayam in the sense of being. The dhatu meaning will be given in Saptami Vibhakti. Like Bhu Sattayam, then Vaha Prapane in the sense of Prapane. Prapane is, it means, it is carry. Vahati flows, one meaning is there. Other meaning is, sorry, not Prapane, I'm sorry. The dhatu is Vah dhatu. So the Vah dhatu, it is in the sense of carrying. It is also in the sense of flowing. Yeah, Vaha Prapane. Yes, Vaha Prapane. The sense of flowing, in the sense of carrying. If it is a river, it flows. If it is a vehicle, it is carried. So Vaha Prapane, that is the meaning. So Nadi Vahati, the river flows. There, the same dhatu we can use Vahati. We can say with the Upasarga, the prefix we can say Pravahati. Here the horse carries, therefore Ashvaha Vagati. So the Vah dhatu in the sense of carry, in the sense of flowing, the Vah dhatu is used. Okay. The next one, Kausalya, the next two.
The traveler knows. Kaha janati.
Okay.
Paryatakaha janati.
Very good. Paryataka or Patikaha or Yatrikaha. So many words are there. Paryata. Paritaha Atati. Paritaha Atati is called, its the form is Paryataka. Paritaha Atati, the one who moves around. Paryataka. Yatrikaha atava Patikaha. Janati. Knows Janati. Okay, the next one.
The tree falls. Kaha patati. Vrikshaha patati.
Shahapatat. Okay, you want me to write? I'm not writing, I'm just asking you to read. Okay, you want me to type, I will type. Otherwise, just reading. Next one. Next two sentences.
The leaf decays. Parnam apakshiti.
G, please type G so that we can have the answer.
I thought somebody will say this. Okay, leaf.
Parnam
Hmm.
apakshiti.
What is it?
Apakshiti.
Apakshiti, there is no apakshiti.
Okay.
Shi dhatu.
Kshayati.
Huh?
Yeah, Kshayati.
Shayati.
What was Nayari?
Layati, you can say. That's good.
Nayati.
Layati is fading.
What about
Fading, but it's okay. It can be.
Vinashati.
Vinashat.
Nashyati, not vinashati.
Vinashayati, Guruji.
Nashyati.
Nashyati. Okay.
So kshiyate or kshayati, you can say. Parnam, the word for leaf is parnam, not parnaha. Parnam, it is napumsakalinga. Okay, it is kshayati
Shayati.
or kshiyate. That's okay. Anyway, kshayati is fine.
Okay.
Then
The daughter abandons.
Hmm.
Putri tyadati.
so kriya padam is tyajati. So ka tyajati, putri tyajati.
Putri tyadati.
Other word for putri is
Suta.
Suta.
Suhida, Suhida,
Suta.
Yes, Suta is there. Another word. Duhita.
Sukita.
Anyways, many words are there. You can use as you like. And let me use Putri one.
Ji, is there any word Vatsa?
Vatsa. Vatsa is calling a person who is, the affectionately Vatsa. Vatsa. Vatsa means calf. That is the popular meaning. The popular meaning is Vatsa. Vatsa also means, you can say Putra. Vatsa is Putra. So in Gita it comes Vatsa, but Krishna calls Arjuna Tata Vatsa iti. So Vatsa can it can mean yes. It can also mean the son. Vatsa or Vatsa it could be. Strilinga will be Vatsa. That also is there. Vatsa, the Rudi, the general, the meaning is calf.
Thank you, Ji.
And it can be used for Putra. It can be used for Putri, Vatsa, it becomes Vatsa. Okay, this is another thing you need to know. It is the word which is in a masculine gender. You cannot convert that into a Strilinga just by making it and all. There are rules out there. There are rules how to make it. The rules are out of scope now. Don't worry about it now. For example, if I say Aja, Aja is goat. The female is Aja. The female goat is Aja. So Aja plus A will become Aja. If it is Adhyapaka, the teacher, the feminine will be Adhyapika. That is different. Change, you can see Adhyapika, Shikshaka, Shikshika. Right? So sometimes we add for example, the Kartra Shabda we know. Kartra is the doer. Karanta Shabda we have seen. Karta is the doer. So Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. Suppose the doer is a female, then becomes Kartri. Kartra, Kartra will become Kartri. Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Kartra Shabdaha. But Strilinga, the doer is a female, then it would be Ikarantaha, Kartri Shabdaha. So Kartru will become Kartru. Kartru plus E becomes Kartri. There are some rules like that. If it is Rikaranta, to convert it to a Strilinga, we need to add E. E is a Pratyaya. Actually, it's a E Pratyaya. Anyway, you know that is E. By adding E, you get a Strilinga Pratipadikam, Kartri, and that can be declined like Nadi. Okay. So there are rules how a Pullinga, how a Shabda can be converted into a Strilinga. It is not just straightforward. The rules are there. Now, Kartru plus E, what Sandhi is that?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Really? Is it Savanadirgha Sandhi?
No, Ji, no.
It's simple
Rukaram.
Sandhi. How can be Savanadirgha? What is Sandhi?
No, Ji.
Sandhi is a close proximity. What are the close proximate letters here? Kartru and E is a. Anybody, you can say.
Yen Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi, Ji, yes.
It is Yen Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi.
What is the last letter of the Purapadam?
U.
Not U.
Ru, Guruji, Ri.
It is.
Kara. Ru.
Ru.
You have to say R. Not
Equilateral.
Rukara. Rukara plus E will become
Ra.
becomes Repa.
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 Yeah.
Rikara is replaced by repa, not ra. It is repa. It becomes the karta. Kar, already that repa is different. The takara plus rikara is there. You have to see the last letter. Here, what is the last letter? Takara plus rikara. The rikara is a letter. That is replaced by repa, followed by e.
E.
So that will become kartri.
Katri.
That is Srilinga. The doer, the female person doing. Okay, anyway, this is some incidental information. You can remember the next person, Surendraji, the 9 and 10.
Mouse digs. Digs is the verb.
You should
Kanati.
know. Yes,
Kanati.
Kanati.
Kaha kanadi. Mushikaha kanadi.
Mouse is Mushaka.
Mushaka.
Mushakaha, Mushika. Again, here Srilinga is Mushika. Okay, Mushaka is mouse. And the word for rat is Aku. Aku is rat. Okay, Aku.
So Mushika is for what?
Mushika is mouse. Aku is rat. What is the difference between a mouse and rat? You know.
Okay.
Okay. The next one.
Mother speaks. Speaks vadati. Ka vadati. Mata vadati.
What's the Pratigmadikam of Mata?
Mata. No.
Matru.
Matra.
Matru Shabda.
Matra Shabda.
Rikaranta Shabda. Matru. Need to know the Shabda is important. We have seen Matra Shabda. I think we have seen. Okay, we will see that. Matra Shabda. Then many words are there for mother. Janani, Amba. All these are many more words are there. So mother speaks. Vadati. Okay, now this Matra Shabda, Rikaranta Shabda, we need to know. Important. Okay, let us we learn the new Shabda now. You can repeat. Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Pitra Shabdaha,
Rikarantaha, pullingaha, pitrashabdaha,
Pitra Shabda.
Pita Pitarau, Pitaraha.
pitarau, pitaraha.
Taraha.
All these are basic Shabdas one should know by heart. Any Vibhakti, any Vachanam, if it is asked, we should be able to say. Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun.
Pitaram,
Pitarau,
pitarau,
pitrun.
Tarau Pitru.
Pitra, Pitrabhyam, Pitrabhihi.
Pitra, pitrabhyam, pitrabihi.
Pitrihi.
Pitre, Pitrabhyam, Pitrabhyaha.
Pitre, pitrabhyam, pitrabhyaha.
Pituhu, Pitrabhyam, Pitrabhyaha.
pituhu, pitrubhyam,
Pitrubhyaha.
Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrunam.
pituhu,
Pitroho.
pitroho,
Pitrunam.
Pitari, Pitroho, Pitrushu.
Pittari.
pitari,
Pitroho,
pitroho,
pitrushu.
He Pitaha, He Pitarau, He Pitaraha.
Pitaha.
Pitaha.
pitarau,
Pitaraha.
pitaraha,
This Pullinga, then Strilinga. Rikarantaha, Strilingaha, Matra Shabdaha.
rikarantaha,
Strilingaha,
matrishabdaha,
Mata, Matarau, Mataraha.
mata,
matarau, mataraha.
Mataram, Matarau, Matruh.
Mataram.
mataram, matarau,
Matruh.
Matra, Matrabhyam, Matrabhihi.
Matra. Matrabhyam. Matrabihi.
Matre, Matrabhyam, Matrabhyaha.
Matre.
Matrabhyam,
Matrabhyam. Matrabhyaha.
matrabhyaha.
Matuhu, Matrubyam, Matrubyah,
मातुः
मातृभ्यां
मातृभ्यः
मातृभ्यः
Matuhu, Matroho, Matrunam,
मातुः मातॄणां
Matari, Matroho, Matrushu,
मातरि मातुः मातृषु
He Mataha, He Mataro, He Mataraha.
हे
मातः हे मातरौ हे मातरः
What is the difference between Pitru and Matru? Matru, okay. Pitru and Matru. You can see in Ditya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, there's a difference. Pitruna, here it is Matru Shabda, it is Matru. So that's a difference. Other than that, there are no other difference. It is all same. So Rikaranta Shabda also you need to. Okay. Coming back to the exercise. Girjaji, you can do the next one.
Yes, Guruji. The son cooks. Pachati. Ka pachati. Putraha pachati. The crow sees. Pashyati. Ka pashyati. Kakaha pashyati.
Good. Next person. Kakaha
कः
pashyati.
पश्यति नो गुरुजी
Kaha pashyati. What do you say?
she said का पश्यति
Kakaha is pullinga.
Yes, I made that mistake. Sorry.
Okay. Rajeshwari.
the Shastra leads. Shastraha Nayati.
Not Shastraha. Nayati is okay, correct. Kaha. Kaha
शास्त्रम्
we don't know. Shastram is
Shastram, sorry.
Napumsaka.
Shastram Nayati.
Shastram Nayati. Shastram is like Pala Shabda. Palam Pale Palani. Shastram Shastre.
Shastrani.
Shastrani.
The deer runs.
Shastrani. Okay. We write this. Shastrani. I
Ni.
think I told you how this Nakara
Ra.
comes. Remember?
Shastrani. Yes,
Think I-
remember. It's a Ra, Sha, then Ana.
Very good. Yes. Yeah. Remember. Very good. Okay. It means I have told you. I taught you. Fine. Yes. Next one. I hope all of you remember that the Nattum is called Nattum. You remember?
Yes.
Dantya
Yes,
Nakara becoming
Yes, Guruji.
Murdhanya Nakara when it is immediately preceded by Repa or Shakara or Rikara. Even when intervened by at letters Ku or Pu or Num or Ang, then also Shatvam will, the Natvam will happen. That is Dantya Nakara becoming Murdhanya Nakara. Okay, anyway, I taught you, please refer to.
The deer runs. Harinaha Dhavati.
Okay. What is the feminine of Harinaha?
Harin?
Harini.
हरिणी
Harini.
Harini.
Harini. Ni. Dirgha.
It's not Harina. Okay, you can see that it's not Harina, it is Harini. Okay, next person. Krishna Kumarji.
Okay.
The devotee
Devotee
salutes.
Next, Krishna Kumarji will read after that. Padma. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
Krishna Kumarji.
Okay. The devotee salutes. Devotee Bhaktaha Namati.
Yes, Bhaktaha Namati.
Sita follows. Sita Anusarati.
Yes, Anusarati or Anugachati. Both are okay.
Okay.
Anugachati follows. Anusarati also follows. Anusaranam. Siridhatu and Gamdhatu both having the same meaning. Siru becomes Sarati, Gam becomes Gachati. Anugachati or Anusarati. Next one, Patmaji.
He steals. Stealing is chorayati. Kaha chorayati. Saha chorayati.
Okay.
The next one, the student resides. Ratati, kaha ratati, chatraha ratati.
Yes. Chatraha ratati.
Chatraha ratati, yes, chatraha ratati.
Feminine will be chatra ratati.
Oh, chatra.
No, I'm saying if it is feminine student, it will be chatra. Now, Manjula,
Okay.
next one.
The old woman instructs. Instructs upadishati.
Yes, upadishati.
Ka upadishati. Vruddha upadishati.
Yes. Yes. Vruddha. Vruddha upavishati. Right?
Yeah.
What sandhi? Vruddha upadishati. Yes.
Gunasandhi.
A plus U will become what?
Vruddhopadishati.
Vruddhopadishati. So the same thing. If it is written like that, you should be able to see. Vruddha upadishati. Vruddhopadishati. Right? Vruddhopadishati.
Yes.
Suppose if it is Vruddhaha upadishati. If it is Vruddhaha upadishati, what sandhi will do? That is what we are going to learn. That is what we are going to learn. Vruddha upadishati, no problem. Because Vruddha is Akaranta. It is Akara Anta, ending with Akara. U is Ukara, beginning with the Ukara, next word. A plus U, simple Aksandhi, that is Gunasandhi, Vruddha upadishati. Whereas Vruddhaha upadishati, it is not like that. Visarga is there. The Visarga, between Visarga, when Visarga is there, you have to see what precedes a Visarga, what follows a Visarga. All those things you have to know. Watch all those things you have to watch, and then only the Sandhi, appropriate Sandhi rules to be applied. That is what we are going to see. So, in all these places, the Chatraha Ratati and Saha Chorayati, and all these things we are going to see. Now, Sita Anugachati or Anusarati, what Sandhi is that now here?
Savarna-Dirgha-Sandhi. Sita-Anugachati.
Sita Anugachati becomes Sita Anugachati. Savarna-Dirgha Sandhi. So, when we do the translation, we have to apply whatever Sandhi rules we know. That we can apply, always we can apply. Okay. Here, what Sandhi? Kakaha Pashyati. The last class I taught you.
Kakaf pashyati.
Kakaf Pashyati. Remember, Kakaha is that what was there in the place of Visarga?
Repa.
Repa.
Repa, very good. And before Repa, what was there?
Sa.
Sakara.
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 You have to say Sakara, not Sa. Okay, Sakara became Ru. Sakara became Ru. Remember. Sakara became Ru. Right? That
Yes.
Ru is nothing but Repa. This Repa only becomes Visarga. Repa only undergoes changes. What is we saw when followed by Kar letter, the Repa at the end of the Padam, Repa at the end of the Padam or when followed by Kar letter, it becomes Visarga. It becomes Visarga. Then among the Kar letter, if it is followed by Pa or Pha, then it becomes Ardha Visarga also. So therefore it is Kakaf Pashyati or Kakaha Pashyati. Both are okay. Both you can say. Anyone is okay. Kakaha Pashyati or Kakaf Pashyati. Similarly, Putraha Pashyati. There also Sandhi is there. What was there before? Sakara. Sakara became Ru. Ru is Repa. Now Padantarepa will become Visarga. When followed by Kar also it becomes Visarga. So both conditions are fulfilled. So this will become, Repa will become Visarga. Now Visarga can be optionally replaced by Ardha Visarga. Therefore, Putrah Pachati or Putraha Pachati. So in all these places, Sandhi is there. So when we do the Anuvada, we have to can try to do it Sandhi.
Yep.
And I will give a long Vakya where Sandhi is there. We have to split also, that we will see it. Next one. Next person. I mean, who is the person doing? In between?
Manjula Guruji.
Yeah, please do.
Sugriva prays. Prays prarthayati. Sugrivaha prarthayati.
Sugrivaha Prarthayati. Here also Sarga is that Sugriva Prarthayati. Right? Sandhi can remember. The next one. Priyaji.
Yes, Ji. Wind touches sparshayati.
Not
Vayuhu.
Sparshayati. No, there is no Sparshayati here.
Sprushati.
Sparshati. Sorry.
Sparshati.
Sprishati, not Sparshati. Sorry. It is Sprishati only. Sparshayati
Sparshati.
means cause to touch.
Okay.
Causing to touch is Sparshayati. Sprishati only is there. No.
Sparshati. Okay, Ji.
Wind is
Vayuhu.
Vayuhu. Many words are there. There are so many words for Vayu. Vayuhu. Right? Anilaha. Marutihi. All these words
Okay.
can use Vayuhu. Okay. Vayu is Ukaranta. Ukaranta Shabda. Guru Shabdavat. Pullinga. Next one. Kausalya.
The grandfather protects. Kaha prakshati.
Rakshati.
Pitamaha prakshati.
Okay. Rakshati. Rakshati or Palayati, Aravati, all mean the same. Okay. You can note many words are there. Rakshati, Palayati, Avati. Okay. Who protects now here? Pita. Pitamaha.
Pitamaha rakshati.
Pitamaha Rakshati.
The hunter cuts. Kaha kartayati. Vyadhaha
Okay. Next
kartayati.
person will do.
The hunter cuts. Kartayati.
Kartayati.
Kaha
Kaha
kartayati. Vyadaha kartayati.
Yadaha Kartati. Here also Yadah Kartayati.
Yadah kartayati.
Next one.
Dhritarashtra asked. Pritchati. Kaha pritchati. Dhritarashtraha pritchati.
Yes. Here also Dhritarashtraha. Dhritarashtraha is a nice word. Person may not be nice, but the word is nice. Dhritam Rashtram Yena. It's a Mangala Shabda, Dhritarashtra. Gita starts with Dhritarashtra Vacha only. Dhyana Shloka really not there in Gita. Dhyana Shloka, what we chant for Gita, it is taken from the Madhusudana Saraswati's Gudhartha Deepika, his commentary to Gita. Here I have written those Dhyana Shlokas that we have taken, borrowed from the work of Madhusudana Saraswati's commentary to Gita, that we chant as Gita Dhyana Shloka. But Gita itself doesn't have Dhyana Shloka. That is, without Dhyana Shloka, without Prarthana, any Vedanta text should not be read at all. But Dhritarashtra, the word itself becomes a Prarthana because it is the name of the Bhagavan, name of the Lord. Dhritam Rashtram Yena, by whom the Rashtra is Dhritam, sustained. By whom? The Ishvara only, the Jagat is sustained. So Dhritarashtraha becomes itself, the word itself becomes a Mangala Shabda that becomes the prayer. That's why I said the person may not be, but the name is. The next one, Surendraji.
That man drinks. Pibati. Kaha pibati? Tad purushaha pibati.
Say again. I'll write type whatever you say. Tat.
Tad purushaha pibati.
How can be Tat Purushaha? Tat is Napumsakalinga. Purushaha is Pullinga. That is a mismatch of Vachana. It cannot be. Tat cannot be used. Tat is Napumsakalinga. Purushaha is Pullinga. How can you say Tat Purushaha? When Tat is here, it's adjective. Should match with Purusha. in terms of vachanam, in terms of vibhakti, in terms of linga, then only it is samana adhikaranyam. Samana adhikarana between the two words. Between the two words, when they have visheshana visheshya bhava, then there is adjective, substantive adjective relationship. Then it means must have the same vibhakti, same vachanam, same gender. That is not as of the same gender. Can be used. Saha purushaha, you have to say. Saha should occur immediately. Okay, next one.
She does not meditate. Dhyanayati. Na dhyanayati.
No, there is no dhyanayati. Dhyayati only is that.
Dhyayati, dhyayati.
Na dhyayati. Ka na dhyayati. Sa na dhyayati. Next person, give judge.
Yes, Guruji. The creeper gives fruits, gives dadati.
No, not dadati.
Ka dadati, lata
Dadati.
dadati.
No,
Dadati.
or you can say
Kim
yachati.
dadati, phalam dadati. Yachati. Okay.
Okay.
Ka dadati, creeper, lata dadati. Kim
Lata
dadati, phalam dadati.
Good.
Lata, phalam dadati.
Yes,
Sings, gayati.
that's all. Who is the karta is not mentioned.
Yep.
Karta could be sa or saha or
Saha.
could be anything. It is not you, it is not me. It is somebody else.
Hmm.
Next person, Rajeshwari.
He reads, Saha patati.
Okay,
She writes, Sa likhati.
simple one. Okay.
He goes, Saha goes.
He does, not goes. He does, not goes.
Sorry, does.
The kriya padam for does.
Karoti.
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 Karoti. Karoti. Saha karoti. His friend gives up. Tyajati. Saha mitram tyajati.
Really? Saha mitram tejati. You tell me, she will answer. Okay. Let us listen. Oh. What is saha?
Saha means he.
He gives up.
No, not his girl.
Then who gives up? What is the subject of the sentence? Who gives up? The friend only gives up, not he.
Friend.
Right?
Yeah, mitram tyajati.
Mitram tejati. Mitram is a subject, not a saha.
Yeah, mitram tyajati.
Then what is saha then doing there?
Sorry.
No, you have to tell.
I
It's
don't know
because
his.
you know it. What is we have seen? We have been chanting. We have come to matra shabda now.
Yes.
What is the word for his or her? Shashti vibhakti. Remember,
Yeah. Mitrasya.
not mitrasya.
Tasya.
Tasya.
Tasya, his friend. Sagataute tam tautan. You have to remember that. Tasya,
Tasya. Sorry.
his
Tasya
friend.
mitram.
Tasya referring to saha. Remember. In
Okay,
English also
yeah.
it is like that only. He does. And his friend is referring to the person who does. Similarly in Sanskritam also, tasya referring to saha.
Saha. Okay.
Tasya mitram tejati. Remember, when you say saha mitram, it is not correct. Saha is pullinga.
Pulling, yes.
Mitram is napumsakalinga. So he, friend, means two subjects are there. Two subjects, it is not correct. Mitram tejati and saha has to go in shashti vibhakti. Tasya mitram.
Tasya. Okay.
Tasya mitram. Suppose if it is strilinga, sa karoti is just tasyaha mitram karoti. It will be like that. Okay, next one. Krishna Kumar.
Thank you.
Yes, Guruji. Bird chips. Sorry, chirps. Pakshihi kujati.
What is the word for bird? Pakshi.
Pakshi. Pakshi or kagaha.
Kagaha is better because Pakshi also you can say Pakshi Pakshino, Pakshina, if you know Pratipadikam, complete Pratipadikam, it is Nakaranta Shabda. Paksha, Paksha means feathers. That which has feathers is called Pakshin, Nakaranta Shabda. Shabda is Nakaranta. We have not seen that. So Pakshi, Pakshino, Pakshinaha. Pakshi is okay because only one bird. Suppose birds, if it is there, then how do you say? If you use the word Pakshi, we don't know because Bhagavachana form we don't know. So better use simple word Kaha because that is Akaranta only we know. Simple Akaranta Shabda. Kakaha Pujanti we can say. If you want to use Pakshi, then you have to say Pakshinaha Pujanti. Bhagavachana I am talking about. Okay.
Okay.
So Pakshi is Pratipadikam is Pakshin Nakaranta Shabda. So when you use a Shabda which, when you use a word, use the word for which the Shabda is known to you.
Okay.
Okay. Then next one.
Sannyasi does japa. Japa is japati. Sannyasinaha japati.
See, Japati is there. You can say Japam Karoti also. In case if you don't know the word Japati, so Japam Karoti simply you can say. Similarly, Kadati, Bhojanam Karoti. So if you don't know, you can always use Karoti. That's why Krudata is very important. Okay, Japati is fine. Kaha Japati?
Sannyasinaha.
Sannyasinaha is not correct.
Sadhu.
Sannyasi.
Sadhu you can say, a sannyasi. This is also Munihi also you can say. This is also like sannyasi, Japati is correct. Sannyasinaha is not correct because this also Pratipadikam is sannyasin, Nakaranta Shabda. Nakaranta Shabda we have not seen.
Okay.
Sannyasin, sannyasi, sannyasino, sannyasinaha. Sannyasinam, sannyasino, sannyasinaha. Goes like that. Same way Pakshin. It is Pakshin, Nakaranta Shabda. Pakshi, Pakshino, Pakshinaha. That's why I said use the Pratipadikam. You can use the noun form for which the Pratipadikam is known to you. Okay. Next one, Padmaji.
Pandit do not cross over. Panditaha na tarati is
Yes.
tarati. Okay, thank you.
Tarati.
Tarati. Krishna teaches, Arjuna praise. Krishna, is it Shikshayati or Shikshayati or right?
You can say many words are there.
Is
Patayati. Simple word is Patayati.
okay, Shikshayati also correct or not right?
Shikshayati also you can say. Shikshayati.
Okay. Okay.
Adhyapayati.
Okay.
So many words are there.
Okay. And Arjunaha bhajati.
No, that's all. This is only this sentence. Krishnaha. Krishnaha.
Oh, the one I have, the page I have from what I copied says Krishna teaches, Arjuna praise. Maybe it's a different, wherever I copied off must be
That's okay.
the first. Okay. That's the next word. Okay, I see. Okay, never mind. Arjuna praise. That is Arjunaha japati or
Not
prarthayati.
Japati.
Prarthayati. Sorry, japa is yeah, prarthayati. Sorry.
Okay. And this is enough today. Now the Sandhi part we will see. The Sandhi, just quick review of what we saw. Padanta Sakara becoming Ru, that is Repa, and the Repa will become Visarga depending on what follows. If nothing follows means that is the Avasana, that is the end, that's the pause. So Repa at the end will become Visarga or when followed by Kar letter. What are the Kar letters? The 13 letters are there, you need to know. Okay. 13. Kha, cha, tha, cha, ta, thau, kapai, sha, sha, sar. First letter, second letter of all the classes, then the first three sibilants. These are the kar letter. I keep repeating, remember the pratyahara important. So these kar letter. So repa at the end means not followed by anything. So when it can be at the end? When it is at the end of the padam. That is why Rama becomes Ramaha. Because nothing follows after that. Therefore Ramaha. If something follows, or something follows, suppose, then it should be a kar letter. If it is a kar letter, then also it becomes repa. If nothing follows, or there is an avasana, okay. There is an avasana. What is the word avasana? We talked about avasana.
End.
Avasana is end. That is, avasana is pause, stoppage. When you say Ramaha khadati, Ramaha, I said, after that I gave a pause for some few seconds. Then khadati, Ramaha khadati. That is called avasana. So Ramaha, when I say Ramar, it was Ramar, but I give a pause. Ramar, if I give a pause, it has to become Ramaha. If I don't give a pause, if I say immediately the next word, then you have to see the next word, what letter follows. If the letter is kar letter, then also repa will become visarga. This is what I said in the last class. Is it clear? Understand all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Krishna Kumarji, is it clear? This is, ask the question when it becomes, this is the answer.
Yes, Guru.
So
Yes,
now,
Guruji.
now this repa becoming take forms. That is what we are going to discuss. When followed by kar letter, we saw. Kar letter, 13 letters are there in the kar letters. The kar, there are 13 letters. Among the 13 letters, for our comfort, we can split the 13 letters into like this. Khai plus shar. Shar is the sibilants. Shar, sha, sa. And the khai letters, among the khai letters, now we are taking these letters, the 4 letters. Ka, kha, pa, pa. That is first letter and second letter of the first class, and first letter and second letter of the fifth class, Pavarga letter.
Guruji, a room, the sa become room is a rule, correct, no?
Yes, Padanta Sakara becoming room. Room is nothing but repa. That Anunasika is a ith letter, that is not considered. The content is only repa. Okay. So now, this example, Kakaha, you can say, or without pause, there is no avasana, you are saying the next word, then Kakaha, you can say. That becomes Ardha Visarga. What is Ardha Visarga? Already I showed you. Okay. Then similarly, Khadati. Ramaha Khadati. This is one form. Or Rama Khadati. So you can say like this or with Visarga. No problem. Both are okay. Both are fine. Similarly, Pika, Pikaha with Visarga. With Ardha Visarga, it is Pikaha. Becomes Pikaha. And remember, this is not Ardha Visarga. This is for my convenience. I wrote like this. This is a parenthesis. How can this be Ardha Visarga? I cannot show that Ardha Visarga in the word file. Difficult. That's why how Ardha Visarga looks, I've already showed. This is for my convenience. I mean, this is what I can do and make you
Yes.
associate with Ardha Visarga. Okay, when you see the parenthesis, understand it's Ardha Visarga. You have to tilt it clockwise by 90 degrees. Okay. Tilt it clockwise by 90 degrees. That's how you have to understand.
One on top of the other.
Yeah. Okay. So Pikaha or Pikaha, you can say. Similarly, Pikaha Palam or Pikaf Palam. This is we have done. This is what I said. Category 1 and 2. Okay. Category 1, these 4 letters are covered. And category 2, that is Shar letter. Okay. That is Category 3 also we can say the other letters of Kai letter. You should follow what I'm saying. Kai, Shar and all. I said Kar is equal to Kai plus Shar. In the Kai letters, the 4 letters are the Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, that is category 1, C1. And the other letters of the Kai letters can be category 2. And category 3 can be Shar letter. Category 3 can be Shar letter. So let me do like this, category 3. And what is category 2 then? Category 2 must be the other left out letters. That is Kha, Pa, Cha. Cha is the Cha. Cha, then
Tha,
Tha, then Mahaprana, all the Mahaprana. Tha,
Chatatau.
then Shakara, then Takara, Chata.
Ta,
Then
Chatatau.
ta only. One.
yes.
Ta only. No vakara.
So Cha, Tha, Tha, Cha, Cha, Tha, Tha. These are the letters left out. So 6 plus 4 plus 3, 13 letters are there. This is category 2. Right? So now category 2, we will see what will happen. Let us say, let me give the example. So before that, category 2, you understand, these are the letters in category 2. So I'm splitting that Kar letter into 3 category. Category 1, which we have seen, Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa. Category 2 is, these are the letters. Okay, now this Visarga, now Visarga followed by is category 2 letters. What will happen? Visarga followed by category 2 letters. We will see that. Example, Ramaha, suppose if you take Ramaha, or instead of Ramaha, let me take Vrikshaha. Vrikshaha Chadayati. Okay. Vrikshaha Chadayati. Vrikshaha Chadayati. Visarga is there. Visarga followed by what letter?
Kar letter. Cha.
Chakara.
Cha.
Visarga followed by Chakara. Now, please note one important thing. This, when it is followed by Kar letter, when it is Visarga is followed by Kar letter, then you don't have to bother about what precedes the Visarga. This is something important you need to remember all the time. Then, because later we will be saying when we see, then this confusion can come, or this unnecessary looking for the what precedes Visarga, this may happen. When Visarga is followed by Kar letter, remember, mark my statement. When Visarga is followed by Kar letter, you don't have to worry about what precedes the Visarga. Here, what precedes Visarga?
Cha.
Vru. Ru.
No, no,
Ksha. Ksha. Sorry. Ksha.
no, say properly. Ksha is not a one letter, okay?
Ka and Sha. Sha.
No,
Shakara.
it's not one letter. I want only one. You have to see the immediate preceding letter. It is not. It is very good. It is Akara only.
Yeah.
Kakara, Shakara plus Akara. Remember that.
Yeah.
To say Ksha is not correct, to say Sha is also not correct. Kakara plus Murdhanya Shakara plus Akara, then only Visarga is a Visarga. Okay. Can Visarga come with a consonant? No. Visarga should be preceded by a vowel only, right?
That's why it's Aha.
That is why it is Aha, Vrikshaha. So Visarga is preceded by A. So Visarga, when it is preceded by A, this precedence, what precedes, not precedence, what precedes Visarga, that you don't have to worry when the visarga is followed by kar letter. If the visarga is not followed by kar letter, it is followed by the vowels or followed by the hush letter, then we have to bother what precedes the visarga. Remember this. In the beginning itself, I am saying, need to remember this. When visarga is followed by kar letter, I'm giving the negative way. You don't have to bother about what the letter which precedes visarga. Okay, keep this in mind. Important. So now visarga is vrikshaha chadayati. It was vrikshar. If there is avasana, the pause, then repa will become visarga. Or when it is followed by kar letter, what did we say? Repa will become visarga. Right? So
Yeah.
what was there? Now we are going to join these two. Vrikshar plus chadayati. This is what is going to happen. The sandhi. Vrikshar plus chadayati. Now vrikshar is followed by kar letter immediately. Therefore, vrikshaha, it becomes vrikshaha plus chadayati. Then what will happen to visarga now? Visarga being followed by kar letter. So what happens to visarga is when the kar letter follows visarga, and the kar letter also, that ka, kha, pa, pa, we have removed that. Among the kai letter, other letters, when followed, visarga will be replaced by sakara. Back to sakara. I'm saying, I'm doing step by step, presenting slowly. Please follow what I'm saying. In the beginning, it was vrikshar plus chadayati. That became vrikshaha plus chadayati. Now it becomes vrikshas plus chadayati. Can you follow up to this?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Now, okay. Even one step before, if we go one step before, that is, what was in the beginning, vriksha, that vrikshas only was there. The vrikshas only became vriksha, remember, that alone became vrikshar. So from sakara only this repa has come, right? From sakara only this repa has come. Thus repa is again becoming sakara. Understand? The repa is again becoming sakara. But that sakara, this sakara, there's a difference. Not same sakara. This sakara, it has come as an adesha in the place of visarga. Remember. Whereas this sakara is not an adesha sakara. It is a pratyaya sakara. Understand the difference between the two.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
What I say is maybe a subtle point. You have to note that. Here in the vrikshas, here it is vriksha pratipadikam plus su, the pratyaya. By that you get vrikshas padanta sakara becoming ru, and ru is nothing but repa. Therefore vrikshar is done. This sakara here, it is the sakara of belonging to the pratyaya. But here this sakara is not the sakara of the pratyaya, it is the adesha in the place of visarga. Is it understandable?
Yes.
So the
Sorry,
sakaras,
can you repeat once again, please?
this is su is what? Now you answer my question. What is su?
Supratyaya.
Yeah.
So is a pratyaya. What is the content of the pratyaya? Su pratyaya.
Sakara plus
Mu is a
Sakara plus-
letter. Therefore sakara is the content. Right? Now vriksha plus
yeah.
su will become vrikshas. So what sakara is that? Answer. What
Sorry,
sakara? Huh?
Yes.
Padanta Sakara.
Padanta sakara and the sakara belonging to
Pratyaya.
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 What sakara is this sakara?
Adesha.
Adesha.
Adesha sakara. It has come in the place of visarga. Are they same?
Okay.
They're not same. That's what I'm saying. Don't
Okay,
go
okay.
by the form. The form appears same.
Hmm.
Anybody wearing sannyasa dress is not a sannyasi. The form is same. Ravana also came in the form of the garb of a sannyasi, and he kidnapped Sita. Is a sannyasi. The
No.
form is same, but it is not. Right? Similarly, maybe a wrong example, but it's okay. Ravana is a good example. Right? So here Sakara is there, not same Sakara. Don't go by the form alone. They are different. You have to see how it has come. Understand now?
Yes, Guruji.
Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah. So with the example, you understand very clearly, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Vrikshas chadayati. So the Sakara is different. This is a different Sakara. Now, this Sakara, Vrikshas Sakara, you cannot stop here the Sandhi. It will undergo further change. Remember, this is another important thing to be noted. When you say important thing, noted, please note that this Sakara, when you do this, when Visarga is replaced by Sakara, don't stop this Sandhi there and conclude, oh, Vrikshas Chadayati. No, that is not complete. That is not complete. Why? Because another rule will come and will apply. Then only it is complete. What is other rule? You see, this Sakara, now it is in contact with Chakara. I mean, contact means it followed by Chakara. When it is contact with, I mean contact. I said use the word very specifically contact. Contact could be Sakara followed by Chakara or Sakara preceded by Chakara also possible. You understand what I'm saying? That is called contact. That is Sakara followed by Chakara, like in this case. Or Chakara can precede Sakara. Both way it is contact, right? Understand? Yes or no? Understand? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Sakara is in contact with Chakara. This is succeeding contact, we can call. And Chakara, the Sakara in contact with Chakara, this is preceding contact, right? So contact means association. When it is about association with Purva letter or Para letter, if both are Chakara, not only Chakara, other letters also will come. We are going to see. Okay. Then what happens? In this example only I'm talking about. When Sakara is in contact with Chakara or the succeeding contact or preceding contact, what will happen? Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. So what happens is it becomes Vrikshash Chadayati. That is the final form. Becomes Vrikshash Chadayati. This is a Sandhi. So we are seeing category 2. Category 2, the letters are here. Remember, with the Chakara example I have given now. So Chakara is seen. When Chakara follows, then what will happen? Vrikshash Chadayati, apply this sequentially this rule. That is, Visarga is replaced by, this is step number 1. Visarga is replaced by Sakara, number 1. Then Sakara is replaced by Shakara. Visarga is replaced by Sakara, that is number 1. This Sakara is different from Pratyaya Sakara. Then number 2, the Sakara, since it has contact with the Kar letter, and the Kar letter happens to be Chakara, therefore, what will happen? Sakara is replaced by Shakara. Now the question should come, when does this Sakara become Shakara? That I will say, when does Sakara becomes Sakara? Please note this. Sakara, when it has contact, we can write like this. When it has contact with Chakara, what are the other letters are there? Chakara, Shakara. Right? These 2 letters is enough. These among the Kar letters. Among the Kar letter in the category 2, these are the letters we saw. Cha, Tha, Tha, cha, ta, ta. Among these two, this chakara and chakara. When it is followed by the first letter or the second letter or the second class, chavarga letter, right? These two, then the sakara will be replaced by chakara. And I'm saying contact here. This is a symbol I use. Okay. Means sakara can be followed by chakara, or sakara can be preceded by chakara or chakara. Understand? Is it
Yes,
clear?
Guruji.
Yes.
Another
Yes,
example I give. Okay, let us take Naraha. Naraha Shalati. Somebody said, read one sentence. Chalati something. The translation. Naraha Chalati. What will happen to Naraha Chalati? Naraha is Naras Chalati because
Narasyamate.
Visarga followed by the kar letter. And the kar letter, you have to see what kar letter it is that. It is not ka, it is not kha, it is not pa, it is not pa. It comes under the category number 2, not category 1. Category 1 doesn't come. So category 2 comes under category 2. Right? Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. So Naras Chalati. Then what happens? Becomes this Sakara. Now it is in contact with Chakara. Therefore, it becomes Naras Chalati. Naras Chalati. Can you follow?
Yes, Guruji.
Similarly,
Yes.
we are going to see when Sakara is in contact with preceding contact or succeeding contact. When it's in contact with Takara and Takara, what will happen? The Sakara will change to Murdanya Shakara. In this case, it is Talavya Shakara. Whereas when it is contact with Takara or Takara, that is first and second letter of the third class, Murdanya, then Sakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. This example we will see in the next class. Then what are the other letters left out in this category? Number 2.
Tatha.
Tatha. That is Mahaprana Takara and Alpaprana Takara. In this case, what happens? Nothing happens. Sakara remains as it is. Is it clear now?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Visarga
Yes,
becoming Sakara when followed by the kar letter, that is the kar letter belonging to the category number 2. Category 1 already discussed in the last class, that you need to remember. Always you need to do some homework. Okay, go to the previous classes and see and understand very clearly. Category 1 already covered. There
Yes.
Visarga is replaced by Ardha Visarga. That is what category 1. In category 2, the 6 letters are there. What will happen to the 6 letters? What will happen to the Visarga when followed by any of the 6 letters we are seeing? When followed by Chakara or Chakara, Sakara is replaced by Talavi Shakara. When followed by Takara or Takara, Sakara is replaced by Murdanya Shakara. When followed by Takara and Takara, Sakara remains as it is.
Same.
So, I'll give the example for this last one. Naraha, Sarati, suppose if it is Naraha, Sarati. What will happen? Naraha is, Visarga is followed by kar letter.
Naras.
Therefore, Naras. It will be Naras
Naras.
plus
Sarati.
Sarati. What will happen to Sakara? Nothing will happen. It will remain as it is. Naras Sarati.
Naras.
Okay. If it is Takara, then what will happen? Ramaha, suppose we say. Ramaha plus, this is a Tikate, some word. Okay, don't worry about that. Tikate is Ramaha plus Tikate. Now, Ramaha followed by kar letter, and kar letter belonging to the category 2. Therefore, it is replaced by Sakara. Then Tikate is the Sakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. Ramash Tikate, the form will be. Understand this, all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Sharanji.
You can stop here. Please do homework and go through this recording if you don't understand. If you have doubts, you can ask me. I'll give more examples. We'll do more exercise. This is important to be understood. Okay. I think we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Thank you,
ಗುರುಜಿ.
Thank you, Sharan ji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ.